saying. I want to see you at Mash House, bro. You need to quit ducking. It's too cold. Shut up.
KingKazma, the Ben Ross, rocking the rain. OGBiddies, another Frost player.
I have never seen him play.
I haven't either. Got Cassie.
We got Texas versus Texas, Midland versus Dallas. We got KingKazma69 versus OGBiddies. This dude said he's free as fuck, almost beat Alex. Alright, dude. You're banned. I'm unmodding you.
Unmodded.
Oh my god, try to Argus plunge through those bullets.
Okay, nice reactions, Ben.
Non-negotiable. These raindrops you're gonna hit with, full of cloud. Cloud drops. Back 2-1-2. Flawless blockable from rain.
Okay, OGBiddies, closing out the first round.
KingKazma said, I want biddies tonight. He asked for this. I gave him what he wanted because if I didn't, he was going to take all my clout. He threatened me. Oh, nice throw. Oh no, my balls. We have you and Kev Chelios, and then Corey the Dragon and Slayer Hat. And that's it.
This has been the most stacked Mash House versus the world yet.
And then if Morden wants to play, he can play someone from the chat. He's a pussy. Acting like a pussy.
Who's a pussy?
You.
I ain't no pussy.
Oh shit.
That's a pussy.
He says he's challenging the chat. Says this chat's free.
OGBiddies, right now, one touch away from taking the first game.
Just remind me when to start up. You can just sit in the lobby in the room if you want. It's up to you. OGBiddies with this Cassie. Game number 1. 1-0. She's got pink eyeballs. It's cute. That's cute. Hey, where's
Hey, Box 8. Where's Ben?
Man, I wish Papa Carter was in here. Hands are going numb. He OS'd and he won. Man, you hate to see it. My dog was playing that entire time.
Cassie, Cage, Rain.
Too much clout. Hands are numb.
That's Ben's clout freezing you up.
Yeah, dude. Those biddies are wild right now. Contain them. Splash your toes. Splash, splash, splash.
Good mash. Okay. Oh, KingKazma.
KingKazma has been playing Rain since he came out. Has dropped every other character. He says this is Rain Combat 11. No other character matters now. Oh my
The wave
god.
dash is too good. The movement.
He's got the air Argus plunge.
I didn't know he could do that.
Oh my god, the punish.
Oh. Okay. Kind of switching it up.
Okay. Nice conversion. Oh, bang! Take the throw. Oh my god, no punish on the up kick. Back one. Back one. Oh my god, the back three. Forward four stagger. Forward 4 is -1 now, I think. -2, something like that. It used to be 0. Oh my god. Went over the low. The big brain from Ben. And he splashes her toes, and that's a dead. Wait! That's a dead Cassie!
Okay, Ben.
Big Clout 69. I mean, Big KingKazma69. Taking round number 1.
No anti-air. Jumped in from downtown. The mix in the corner. Drops the combo.
Nice throw. Put him in the corner. You're staying there. Wake up, forward 4. Why not? Oh my god, that was an armor break. Just did the dive kick. Nice tech. Get off me. Counters with the forward 1, 1+3. Or forward 2, 1+3. Oh my god. What just happened?
No punish. Throws it out there again. One guess for Ben.
I've never seen that crushing blow before. Because he was blocking, standing. Did you get hit by that?
I think
How that
so.
triggers? Gets hit with the 1-3-3 into the geyser palm. That's a breakout. Oh my god, tries to anti-air maybe. The geyser palm conversion. Oh,
Ben.
drops it though. Hi Romanic, what's going on? Appreciate everyone watching. I don't know who to root for.
KingKazma.
Plus,
Got
he
deal
pressed.
with this corner mix.
He pressed on plus frames. Who cares? Respect the clout. Appreciate the follow.
Wakes up Buttons. Gets punished for his troubles.
Oh my god.
KingKazma.
King
Taking
Cloud
it.
69. I mean KingKazma69 taking game number 2. 1-1. Can't be cute. You thought this was a sprinkle? This is a fucking typhoon.
The rain, baby.
This is a typhoon.
Hurricane.
Download complete. Compelty, says Biddies.
Cassie Cage.
Download Compelty.
It's time to continue.
Oh my god. 1-1 right now. Staying with the same Cassie.
Finishes the string. Catches that whip punish attempt. Smashing.
Oh my god, nice conversion. 1-3-3. Oh my god, the read.
Ooh.
That's a fucking statement. It's a fucking statement.
In the corner.
Not my balls.
Grabbing him. Fighting his way out.
Oh, is that Squill? He knows Biddies. He knows how he plays. Says he's panicking. KingKazma not taking a throw.
The trade, but not
There
worth
are,
it.
there are 2 Titans on the screen right now. 2 bosses.
OGBiddies. Trying to make it 2-1 in this first of 5.
Oh no, back 2-1. Tries the Hydro Blast to catch him blocking or trying to flawless block or something. Or poke. Oh no. There's beef. There's beef here that I don't know about. No, the other player doesn't want to lose to the other one.
Fatal blow on deck for OGBiddies. One gets away from death. Wake up Buttons. Gonna do it.
They play. This is the run back from ranked. Oh, this is a combat league run back. That's definitely beef. Super beef. Oh no.
Gets caught with the low. With
This-
the conversion though.
This win here, this is the one that matters. Because everyone's
game
watching
failed.
it right now.
Got
this
that crushing blow loaded.
Big fish. Oh my
big
god.
brain from Bing.
Oh!
Hasn't got hit with a high string yet.
Oh my god, get off me. Oh
Nice
my
job.
god, forward 2-1-2, and he gets hit by the last hit. Not like this. 2-1. Trying flawless blocking the grab or the gap.
KingKazma striking the pose like he just super D'd down a girl in the bedroom, making it rain.
Oh shit, that's intense.
Where's Yumiko?
The chicken nuggies.
The
Shout out to
chicken
Yumiko.
nuggies. Throw some chicken nuggies at it.
The Scorpion. Ah, this is Esco playing.
Oh, yeah.
This is Esco playing for sure.
Zesquil
They're sitting right next to each other. Demon Breath and always got Demon Breath and Helport cancel. Zest is free. I like that variation name. 10 out of 10. Oh my god. 44%? What? Oh my god. Oh my, the micro. That's something Zesco would do. Ah. Fucking statement. Wake up 3. Take my boiling water.
Got the fatal blow. One second kill.
Back throw.
That's all you need, Ben.
Oh. Big whiff. What is he swinging at? Swinging at shadows right now. Oh my god. The interruption on the back 3 with the down 3. What?
Ah!
How did the down 3 beat the back 3 if it low crushes? It makes no sense. MK11, fix your game. It's okay. OGBiddies taking round number 1. 1, 3, 4. Oh, Hydro Blast. Trying to be cute. Biddies does not know. I guess you can flawless block or anti out of that. Oh, he tried to break away. You can only break away if they get launched. Or combo back 3 if they get launched. Nice blocks. The pace. Oh, he gets hit at the very last part. Not like these. No flawless block on the 4, 3, 4. 1, 3, 3. Down 4. Oh. Ben out here.
It's it.
Grabbing Ghost. Nothing there for you to grab. Puts OGBiddies in the corner.
Getting a life link.
Oh my god. KingKazma sliding around the screen.
No punish. Oh no, he gets in.
He's out here on a slip and slide. Forward back 2, 1, 2.
Still alive, baby.
I'm not getting my cancels. The OS.
Not getting OS either. Smash House versus the world. Bring the sweat.
Bring all the OSs. I want to see it.
Oh. Gets it.
Tries to.
Thought he was gonna break.
Thought he was gonna break, baby.
Okay. Ben will tell you that's optimal.
Ha. Opties, baby.
The pressure. The jump in cross ups. Oh, the neutral jump.
Back
Let's go, KingKazma.
The blocks. Okay, gets opened up.
Okay, here we go. Breaks away. Wants nothing to do with it.
Oh, he blocks it that time.
Here.
Dead man.
Big money.
Dead man. That is a dead man.
Give me a brutality, Ben. Damn.
Is that a brutal if he does that string?
I don't know. I just want to like awaken Ben's vicious soul inside of him. And you have him brutal every round.
I've never seen Ben talk shit.
I know. That's right.
No cancels. That's good. I mean, he learned from you, so it makes sense. You don't even cancel.
I will say that to Kyle in 1v1.
You're not supposed to say that.
Last time me and Ben played, like he was real toxic towards Kotal.
You're not supposed to say that, B. You're supposed to say, fuck this guy.
Yeah, no B.
I say that to I say that to Morden all the time. Fuck you, Morden.
Fuck you,
Pussy.
Oni-san. You pussy.
See. Yeah, fuck this guy. Too much clout.
This is not the guy.
This is not the guy.
Big punish.
Yeah,
what are you swinging at?
Oh my god.
No shadows over here, only rain. Okay.
Oh, flawless block. The knowledge.
OGBiddies Pushing
Back
his
three, one,
glasses
two,
up.
gets converted on.
Wake up buttons. Works out for him. It's MK11.
Oh,
Who
no.
knew? Again,
back
wake
three.
up buttons.
Kev Chelios, are you at home? Oh,
Oh,
no.
the down 2 KB. KingKazma showing the matchup knowledge.
Oh,
He
my.
gets hit with a crushing blow after.
Crushing blow after crushing blow. C. What?
I don't know why that grab didn't work. Looked like he was blocking.
The fastest micro duck you've ever seen, maybe?
Maybe. Fastest micro duck in the West?
Oh my god. Does it punish?
Oh my. No cancel either. There's the cancel.
The
That
blocks.
he wanted again
No check.
into the grab.
No text from Ben. Oh my. Did he break? No, he didn't.
No, he's not. It's not gonna kill. He's got one guess, but he's got fatal blow on deck.
That hurt. 43%. Ouch. Watch this. Watch this though. Oh my god.
Blocks the forward.
If you lose this,
good
Ben.
reaction.
Nice. Block confirm.
Beautiful dash up there. KingKazma getting in.
Nice
getting
block
the
confirm,
W.
biddies. Unfortunately, that was not a hit confirm. And you got killed.
KingKazma69 for the W.
Tried to shimmy, but there was no hit confirm, baby. I'm getting mashed and fucked. Oh my god. That's what we do at the mash house. That's what we do is mash. No, you cannot condition, Ben. Can't not be conditioned. Can't be killed?
Back to
Can't be
Cassie.
killed? Can't be killed yet? Can't be killed.
Champ, blessing the clout of KingKazma.
King Clout. Is KingKazma about to take this set 5-1, or is Biddies about to bring it back? Death Squill.
Man,
Send him the power. Send him
Oh.
he needs a Senzu beam. He needs it. He needs to come back.
okay, dashing up, grabbing, getting out of the corner. I like it. Keeping it safe. Oh, big whiff. No punish from KingKazma.
One,
There you go,
two, three.
mashing.
Geyser palm. Into the combo. Oh my god. The blocks. The down two from downtown gets whipped, and the back throw. Oh, the low shot goes under the projectile, but he has a mid option. That's plus. And he backdashes to get away. Smart option from KingKazma69, using the meter per projectile to take round number 1. Set point. KingKazma69, the player with the biggest clout of all time. Get off me. Oh, the
Crushing
counter.
blow.
Crushing blow. The back throw. We're throwing each other out here. Ugh. Oh no, gets hit by
Next
the
to
low.
corner.
No anti-air. You have an interactable. Oh no. Ugh.
Wake up.
Ben throws of his own.
Delayed wake
The
up.
1-3 stagger. The 1-3 stagger again. The hydro blast. You can anti-air that, but he's not ready for it. Throw. No checks. Biddies. He needs
Fatal
some
blow
milk.
on deck. He
Oh my
converts. No,
God.
breakaway.
The forward throw my balls. Ugh. Ugh.
Right here.
Biddies. We're throwing each other. What's happening?
One guess for Biddies.
Biddies. What's happening? Oh, what the?
Oh, no way!
That's what we call a trip guard, ladies and gentlemen. A back three into a fatal blow for doing an accidental jump two. Wait, he's not dead. Now he is.
The sweep.
Oh no. He whipped jump four and got trip guarded with back three. Fatal big brain play from Biddies. Ben was on match point, mix up point. And he got trip guarded. Biddies fighting for his life. Playing out of his mind. Trying to download King Cosmo full screen. Change that pistol for a DMR. Oh, the back 3 whip punish? Oh my god, he almost got armor broken and got robbed right there. Do you have interactable? You have no, you have bar? You can use an interactable. You can burn him. Oh my god. Oh my god, too many throws.
Neutral duck.
What?
No conversion.
That's all biddies.
Oh, he broke away.
Biddies.
No wake up options. One guess. You just gotta touch him.
Oh my.
Throw a high out.
Oh.
He's the best in a wake up.
Ah. Oh my god, what's happening? Oh my god, he's dead.
Scrambled eggs all over the screen.
Oh my god. Oh no. Ben. Clutch Ben. Where's Ben? Here he is.
At the top.
At the top.
The W. Striking the pose.
Too many down one. 5-1. Shake my hand. Fist bump. Don't shake his hand, biddies. You don't have to.